Hey guys, David here and welcome to this video. Now behind me you can see the beginning of what is going to be an amazing PC build. Back home I had a giant desk PC with a water-cooled system in it. Of course I couldn't take that computer here, so I'm building a new one and it's going to be even better. The theme that I selected for this computer is Witcher 3: The Wild Hunt. I absolutely love that game. It's for sure my favorite game ever created, and I'm not gonna create like one of the traditional PCs like you already saw a couple out there on the web. I maybe post some pictures here, but instead I want something that looks really elegant. The main component is gonna be white, although in the game Witcher white isn't as prominent, but I'm gonna have transparent red coolant flowing through, like representing the blood. I'm gonna have like a Witcher trophy, like the emblem in the front protruding out. There's gonna be a lot of 3D printing going on. There's gonna be vinyl stuck to the tempered glass, and of course a whole bunch of painting and everything. So in this video we're just getting started. I don't have all the parts yet, so I'm just getting started on the parts I have. The main labor-intensive part is painting. This case is the 570X Crystal from Corsair, and it's the Newegg exclusive white edition. But although it's a white edition, there were many parts of it that still were black as kind of accents, but I wanted a whole white case, so I disassembled the case and took those parts out and painted them white. First I just primered them, sanded the primer lightly, and then went over with standard white paint. I also took it on to me to paint the fans. The blades are already like white transparent, are gonna be RGB illuminated, probably red, but the frames, they were black, so I also masked everything up and painted the frames white as well. Same with the backplate for the graphics card and the heatsinks on the motherboard. I also created a custom shroud for the motherboard, the video to which you can check out in the video description or in the little eye up here. Now in the style that I have the shroud for the motherboard, now I want to make a couple more things to just kind of block all the ugly cables and make the whole thing look beautiful and very clean. I feel it's really fun to design these parts in the software, then print them out, make revisions, and then get something that looks absolutely professional and very special. At the moment the 3D printed parts are just fresh from the printer in white filament, but on camera it looks pretty much the same as the painted white spots, but in person there is a slight difference, so I might go ahead and just do a thin coat of paint over the 3D printed parts as well, just to match the color better. Then after I had the parts that I already have painted, I started with the assembly. Starting out with putting some drives in and then putting the motherboard in, as that's the part I already have pretty much finished. I also went ahead and installed the graphics card and remounted some of the fans. I'm ordering 3 more fans, so all the fan spots are taken up by an RGB fan, but I'll probably not order the original Corsair fans as they are really expensive, but get some cheaper but very similar RGB fans, so that they can go in the front. I'm also gonna have to end up painting those, as the frames of those are black as well. I decided not to paint the power supply, and that's for the simple reason that I'm gonna have a cover that covers up everything of the power supply, so you won't even be able to see it, except in the back, but I don't care about the back. Now, for now, that's how far I can go. To continue, I first have to get all the parts. I originally wanted to wait for my parts from Switzerland to arrive here, but well, the package got lost again. I sent all the stuff here in a package. It has been 2 months since I sent this package, but I don't think it's gonna arrive anytime soon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buy all the stuff new, which is more expensive than I would like, but it's what I'm gonna have to do if I wanna finish this build before I leave here again. I also ordered up some very nice custom sleeve cables from Mainframe Customs that are gonna make this build just look so much better. So with all these spoilers and starts, let me know what you think down in the comments, and if you like this video and are excited for the next couple of ones, leave a like and also consider to subscribe so you are notified right when the new video hits. I also post all the product links of the stuff featured here down below, so you can buy all the stuff if you are interested in building something similar or just like a particular part I used. You can also check out my Instagram, Twitter and all the other social media handles down below for more frequent updates. And I maybe also start a forum thread, I don't know. If yes, I will post that down below as well. So thanks for watching, and until next time.